Hello. Today we are discussing important tips on interview skills for freshers. Let us first discuss what is interview. Interview is a formal conversation used to evaluate applicants' acceptability for a particular job. Here, the candidate's qualities are assessed such as candidate's intelligence, behavior and presence of mind. The main objective of interview is to obtain additional information from the candidate. Another objective can also be to give company information such as company profile, the exact job, the products manufactured, services and alike. As we know, resume is summary of your professional and educational qualifications, your achievements till date. It should be free from errors. It should not having any spelling mistakes or any grammatical mistakes. So please proofread it twice. Don't copy your resume from others. Generally, it is seen that many students or many candidates copy it from friends or seniors. So please don't copy. You can get an idea, but please draft your own resume. As your resume is unique, it shows, it represents what you are on paper. Use proper font, use proper font size. Don't use any fancy design in your resume. The ideal size of resume is 2 pages. For freshers, it can also be 1.5 pages. Now, it's better to know about the company and the job profile. You should know about the company to which you have applied. Please go through the company website. If you don't know the exact company website, please go to any search engine, type the company name, you will get the exact company website. Please go through it. Find out who are the founder members, where are the headquarters located, who is the current president of the company, who is the current CEO of the company, what are the products manufactured, what are functional areas and alike. You should also know about the job profile. Here, it will help you to know what job you are supposed to do if you are hired. So please go through the job profile and you should know about the company as well. Main preparation for preparing an interview is preparing yourself. Prepare yourself physically, mentally and emotionally too. Physically, dressing up neatly, having a formal attire. I am talking about formal attire which includes your dressing, your sandals or shoes, your hairstyle. Everything should be formal. Another important thing is maintaining an eye contact. You should show your interest, and your interest is shown in the interview by maintaining an eye contact. Another thing is having a proper body language. You should use proper gestures, proper postures, which shows your proper mannerism and behavior during an interview. Another important thing is smile. When you enter the interview hall, please give a pleasant smile. When you have done with your interview, greet the interviewer, say thank you, give a smile and then leave the interview hall. What is the another thing which we should prepare? We should prepare mentally to face any question. Yes, you should prepare yourself to face any questions. Questions can be from anywhere. Generally, the questions are based on your resume, on the company to which you have applied, on your technical knowledge, on your technical background, on your studies, and even few GK questions can also be asked. Generally, if you are opting for government job or government interview, definitely GK is must. Many private companies also check GK, which shows what you know more about your core functional areas and what you know apart from your core functional areas. you don't know answer to a particular question. First and foremost thing, try to give maximum answers. Yes, which is must. But if you don't know one or two questions, it is okay, but you should show your interest in questions. You can politely say, sorry, but can I expect another question please? Or, right now, I'm not recalling the exact concept. Please can I have another question please? What are the important things which we should keep in our mind throughout the interview? First thing is having good communication skills. You should try to maintain good communication throughout the interview process. Another thing is being confident. Be confident. Trust yourself. Be yourself. Be calm under any situation. Please don't get panic. Be calm. Try to give maximum answers. Be confident. All the best. Thanks for watching this video.